I've grown up through the different rooms and then went to school zone. Now I found my passion in working with children in Sesame Lane.
That I had the most fun here at Sesame Lane. Like, I remember I was always super happy.
I remember one educator, Miss Kelly, who I had, and she just made such an impression on me, and I thought it was just such a great company to work for, so that's why, yeah, I've come to work for Sesame Lane.
I was 8 months old when I first started at Sesame Lane. When I'm working around here, so many memories just pop up in my head again.
The kids are so, when they can tell when you're down and just not having a very good day, and they will bring you up. They bring so much joy and they will always make you laugh.
With my Cert 3, I'm doing really well with that, going well. I'm about to finish it soon and hopefully start my diploma.
Like, I love kids and I love how they learn. And so I thought, well, I might as well do a Cert 3 in early childhood. And now I'm studying to be a primary school teacher at university, so.
Yeah, Sesame Lane is a really fun place to work at.
Get to know people that knew me when I was a kid and like meet all these new people. It's just great. Like, it's such a great environment. Just such a great place. Like, Sesame Lane is so good.
If you wanted to become an educator here, it is a lovely area with the kids and everything. You would love it.
How much they helped me was like, yeah, I want to do that for other people. I want to help people get over their fears and help other people. And I just knew that Sesame Lane was the way.